Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to clear the cache in Excel. This is actually quite simple and is useful if your documents in Excel are very slow or even corrupted and no longer load. First we open Microsoft Excel and go to File, Options and then to the Save tab. Here we scroll all the way down until we reach the cache settings. First of all, we can set how long temporary data of a document should be saved. By default, this is 14 days, but I can change this individually. I can also set the cache to be emptied as soon as I close the document in Microsoft Office. For our specific case, we now find the right option here by deleting the cached files directly. If I click on the option, I have to confirm it again, and now I have already deleted the cache in Microsoft Excel. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.